What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. Today we're going to be finishing up some small stuff on the Z. I got a few things I need to do here and there before we get the major stuff in. Again, that major stuff is a project that I'm working on right now. It's behind the scenes. I know it's gonna be a little bit longer, but it's gonna be worth the wait, guys. Before we get into today's video, make sure you go hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. Let me know what you guys are working on right now. I want to know what you guys are building. Again, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep this flow going, and yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, so today I want to put my rack offset spacers on. I have the PBM angle kit, like I've said plenty of times. I have the PBM angle kit, and it came with rack offset spacers. Some people don't like to run them because of those little keyway, the male keyway side. These can strip out your rack, actually. I've ran them for like 6 months and I had no problems with them. I just took them off because I bent some tie rods at an event because of my alignment. So I'm gonna put these on so I can get a little bit more angle out of the car. And then I think I might start tearing the front off. This is like all broken from crashing and hitting people. So I'm also missing this headlight. We're working on that. But I think I might start ripping this off, because what I want to do is essentially I want to make a front radiator support for that. The ones that they sell are like plastic, they're like 300 bucks, and I just don't want to keep cracking them. So I think I might maybe mock something up I can make. This will go into the rack, and then this bolt goes into the rack as well, and then your tie rod goes on this outer. So yeah, let's get it done. So that's a lead wheel, which is, I mean, a good amount. And then if you turn to the right, the follow is like pretty absurd. Should be a little bit more fun and throw some more angle into those corners. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Day 2. Let's get it. I think what I'm gonna start doing is taking off the front of the car. I need to remove the air box, my front radiator sprayers. I need to cut those off and put them to the side, undo some of the wiring harness for the headlights. So the headlight assembly is sort of part of this front radiator support. So if I can detach it and then either weld it to the actual front and then weld a front radiator support off that, because I'm not doing tube front. Normally when you do this, it's like a tube front pretty much, but I'm not doing tube front yet. So I need to just get it to where it holds the radiator and the front accessories and still have headlights. So I think once I get everything off, it will be more clear to what I need to do. All right guys, so we got the front radiator support off. I have it chilling right here. As you can see, this part was completely demolished. Like I just don't even understand how my radiator is still intact and holding and not leaking coolant everywhere. So here we have it all the way off. So now we have a better idea on how we can actually make this radiator support. So these headlight housings are pretty big, so I don't really want to mess with those. So I think what I might do is just go off of this, make a bar that goes across, and then make another bar that goes down from the bottom, and maybe do some supports in the middle so it's not flimsy. And then on the stock one, the mounting points for the bumper are like probably like 4 inches away, maybe more. So I think I'm gonna have to go off this top bar to make it. So I think for right now, I'm just gonna clean up some of the wiring, and I'll have to go to the store and actually get material and like a tube bender, and we're gonna have to get into it. But so pretty much what happened was that this whole entire headlight was pulled out. This part, see how this one sits like really flat with the actual like frame of the car? So the whole headlight assembly sat flat on this side. This side was pulled out pretty much like that far. So what we had to do was I smashed it down with two bolts so it would hold it there. I flattened this out, and then this piece right here is part of the like cross member for this, so we just kind of lined it up. I think what I'm gonna do is either go off this, or I'm either gonna go off this or fab something like this and use this as kind of like a mock. So we've pretty much knocked out a lot of big stuff. So I think after we get the big project that everyone's been waiting on out of the way, it's coming very soon, and we finish up this front radiator support, then I should actually be able to paint the car. So when I go to paint the car, it should be a little bit easier because I won't have to take it all the way down. I can just take off the clear and just like pretty much scuff it down, and then I'll just respray over this color. We finished up the tie rods, removed the whole front radiator support. So now, like I said, we've cleaned up some of the dents, got some of the wiring out of the way so we can reroute it. I think for right now, that's gonna be it until we get material and until it's daylight and I can actually start doing some interior work as well, kind of multitasking. But yeah, so thanks for watching the video. Make sure you go hit that subscribe button again, like and comment, and let me know what you guys are building. I really wanna know what you guys are working on with the season pretty much being over. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys at the next one.